arrived today to contribute to the Habitat build. There's a house that was really about a third in construction, and we got right to it. I was up on ladders, stretching my thinking and things that I'm used to doing, and painting and helping with siding and giving back to the community. In late November, December, I had a chance to meet one of the people that benefit from the Habitat builds, and just to see the smile on their face when they received their key and that first interaction was just so meaningful. When you think about good neighbor, it sounds cliche, but it's true. It's really what we do. We show up for people whether we know them or not, and we do good in the community. So it aligns really well with Habitat, affordable housing, and helping those in need. So I remember doing my first Habitat build probably about 15 years ago, and doing it then was as memorable as it is doing it today. So very important to give back and do good and see others benefit from the good work that you do.